welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to review another primer. Not so long ago, I reviewed a gripping primer from Cove, which is I absolutely obsessed and I'm in love with it. So today we are going to try another brand which is a gripping primer as well. Isn't it interesting? Today we will be talking and reviewing this new primer from Milk Makeup, and it's called Hydro Grip Primer. So this is how it looks like. This is the small size, you guys, and this is retail for $16, and they have a big one which is retails for $30. It looks like green inside. Look at that. Yes. Besides of a grip primer, this is a hydrating primer as well. So what it does, so let's see what are the promises of this product. Heat of Hydro, plant extracts hydrates to plump and smooth for blissed out skin. Plump and smooth, okay. A shot of blue agave extract forms an invisible layer to grip makeup for all day hold. Allow formula 1 minute to full absorb to activate the full grip effect. So what's in this primer? Aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, B vitamins boost skin for a healthier looking base, and a glassy post-hot yoga class glow. So what is yoga class glow? So that is like when you do yoga and you guys like sweating, and then after you're sweating you look so glowy. I think that's what it means. Glow that you get from sweating. Like I'm saying. So the green tinted formula blends in clear to work across all skin tones and types. So, pag nilagay mo siya sa mukha mo, hindi siya green, mag-clear siya. So this product is vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, oil-free, fragrance-free, and gluten-free. Everything is free on this product. Okay. So this is my first time using this on my face. I already like tried this in the back of my hand. It feels really good, but you know, my hand is different than my face, so let's just dive right into this and try this one. I already moisturized my skin. My skin is really like clean, and said 1 to 2 pumps in the back of my hand. 1 and 2. It says fragrance free, so let's smell it. Oh, shit, my phone. Yeah, there's no smell. I like it. So it says here that, let me blend this on my skin. Cove is very tacky, and this one, not really. I'm gonna blend it to our skin. 2 pumps is good for the entire face. And we're gonna set this for a minute to absorb the gripping system. Okay, hot glass yoga glow. Kinda like that. It's not tacky as Cove gripping primer. In this one is more like relaxed, tacky, like I'm saying. And when I touch my face, it has this cool feeling. Cool feeling. Like, I don't know, maybe just me, but oh, kind of like it. 1 minute is done, and now let's move on to our foundation. So for my foundation today, I will be using my NARS in Syracuse. I'm gonna spread this all over my face, and let's see how the foundation glides. And then I'm gonna use with my brush. If it's all about gripping, honey, I'm up to it. Because you know, who doesn't want their foundations to stay? My foundation glides really good. So all the skin types can wear this, so it doesn't matter if you are oily or if you are dry. Because this thing will grip, honey. It says it will grip. Hear me? So taking my damp sponge, I will be pressing this into my skin or buffing this onto my skin. Blending this. My foundation is not moving. I don't know, maybe my foundation because it's radiance, but ay, 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 ay. I noticed that in my forehead when I put my foundation on, it just like stays over there. And I like that it's not that, it's not really like gripping my face. Like I'm saying, like my skin. I'm loving it. Very light. Ay, 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 ay. If I'm happy with the product, honey, I see. You look at my face. I like that it's hydrating. Okay, I see you. My foundation is like pack, baby, pack. I'm saying pack, pack, pack. I'm saying, and I like that. Okay, so as of right now, you guys, you can see my reaction, right? That I'm kind of happy with it because that's how I feel if I'm happy with the product. Alam mo yun, yung feeling na, my God, it works. I really like it. I like the feeling of it, like I'm saying. So, yeah. Well, let me just go ahead, you guys, and do the rest of my face. And I'll be back and I'll see ya. Hey, you guys, and I'm back. And I have this full face makeup on. I'm ready for the day. I'm ready for work. So, I have a long day today at work. So, we're gonna put this baby on a test. So, right now, I am loving it. It feels really light. It feels really good. And let's see how this primer grips on my skin throughout the day. I'll see you guys tonight when I get back home and let's talk about this baby right here, and I'll see ya. And it's been a long, long, long day. So, I just got back home from my friend's birthday, you guys, and this Milk Hydro Grip Primer is just the bomb. Like I'm saying, my friend told me that your makeup looks amazing. When I first used this morning, I know I like it. I had this makeup on for like 13 hours, you guys, and this primer holds everything. Longevity wise, it feels really good in the skin. You guys, I am obsessed, and it still feels comfortable. As you guys can see, my eyeshadow is already fading, but my foundation, it's still on. You see my highlighter. You guys, I am an oily combination skin. My T-zone, like, I still have a flawless foundation on. As I've told you, we had a Korean bar because it was steaming, it's hot, but this primer is gripping, like, you know what I'm saying. I don't need to say anything, you guys. As I've always said, go try it for yourself, ask for a sample, and just try them. This one right here is, I'm really, really, really happy that I tried them. The full size is $30 and this is $16. And for me, for $16, this is not bad at all. That's all I can say. I'm obsessed. It's amazing. Go try it for yourself and see it for yourself. Like I'm saying, ask for a sample. And yeah, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please show me some love, give me some like, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.